Dabi, my love, so sweet. Ayan, bro. Wala pa na akong kilay na.
Huh?
What?
Mumbling a bit.
Nothing. Yun na, guys!
Hmm?
You gonna say bye?
Bye. Bye.
What's that? Hey, yo! Ayan, guys! Na ano ng ating camera action. Oops, 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 oops. Hindi na siya nag-ano, guys, ang ating camera. Anyway, guys, may dumating. Ayan. Guys, marami na pala ang ating bunutin sa June 20. O, diba? Madami na tayong bunutin sa June 20. Kay Ana to, guys. Kay Ana. And, ayan. Bumaba na naman. Ano ba yan? Bumaba siya. Gusto niya atang bumaba, guys. So, yun, guys, is may dumating. Hindi ko alam. Pero baka is, ano to, guys, yung order ko na ating, ayan, ito is alas 5 na pala, guys, alas 5. Ayan, dalawang box na ganito, guys. Pero parang ano siya, tawag doon, parang stand siya ng plant. Ayan, nag-order kasi kami, guys. Ayan. Si dalawa siya, ayan. Made in China. Ayan, vlog. Parang ano to siya eh. Tingnan nga natin. Parang stand sa ano, guys, ba? Flower. Wait lang, guys, ha. Tingnan natin, ha. Tapos, ipa-assemble ko siya ni Greg. Yes! Ano nga siya, guys? Stand ng plant. Ayan. Diyan muna kayo. So, ayan siya, guys. Kung nakikita nyo. In-order ko pala siya, guys, online. Sa eBay. eBay ba? eBay. For $40. Ito yung picture niya, guys, oh. Ayan, nakikita ba? Yan yung picture niya, guys. So, ano pa siya ni ano ni Chris. Ay, nag-isip. Ayan siya, guys. So, ganyan siya. Yep. So, ipasymbol natin ni Greg, guys. So, ayan. So, ito yung plate niya, diba? Ayan. Plate. Ayun. So, ayan, guys. So, hindi na natin yan bubuksan kasi same lang naman yan sila, guys. Same lang naman sila. Ayan. Dalawa. 4 lang yung patungan niya, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, depende siguro sa'yo kung ilan ang patong-patong mo. Diba? So, ayun na, guys. Yun na yun. And I'll see you later, guys, pag pag i-assemble na yan ni Gregorio, okay? And I'll see you later, people. Thank you. Bye.
Hey?
Beer? You still have beer, man?
Are you on? What are you on?
I just ordered one, my love.
But you did it twice.
No, I just pay this one.
Well, what do you want the other one?
I don't know. Maybe that's not ours. I don't know, my love.
It's a valid question. That's for him. Don't grab in that bad boxes. I don't know what this is. That would have got confusing.
Hey.
You think I ordered 2?
Huh?
You think I ordered 2?
Yeah. We've got 2. This is...
Maybe this is too short, my love.
Huh?
It's very short.
Yeah, it's not finished yet. They're only halfway up. You watch. You watch. And that
No,
bit.
so I ordered 2, my love.
Hmm?
I'm
Yeah,
getting...
you ordered 2, my love.
I'm getting maas, my love. I forgot.
No bullshitting. No bullshitting, I promise you. Sometimes I bullshit, but not this time.
Yeah, sometimes I don't believe you. Sometimes I don't believe you, you know.
Yeah, I know. But on this occasion, I'm not bullshitting you.
So while we're doing this one, my love, we're gonna do a question.
Huh?
We're gonna do a question.
Question?
Yeah.
What sort of question? What sort of questions?
What?
I mean, you've obviously got a question. Where you go?
Why you like me?
Because you're sweet and kind and caring.
Caring. Do you regret marrying me, my love?
Huh?
Do you regret marrying me?
Regret marrying you?
Yeah.
No, that's a silly bloody question.
That's why I'm just asking. Like, we're gonna have some questions.
Do you regret marrying me?
No, of course not.
What do you like about me?
Oh, God, he's asking. because you love me. You care too much.
I care too much.
Yeah, you care, and you just don't care about me, but all of my family.
Yeah.
And you're very, very, very sweet.
You like that?
I like that. That's the most and the first thing. That's why I love you, because you love my family.
Yeah.
That's why I love you. Why you love my family?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
They're beautiful people too. You're caring, sweet,
Yeah.
lovely people. Laugh with everything, you know. Like
Yeah.
some people go ha ha ha, but not their chickies.
Yeah.
It's ah. I love it. It's great.
Yeah.
Love life. Beautiful people. Kind, sweet, caring, beautiful. That's what beauty is all about.
So what Filipino food you like?
All of it.
Not all. Can you mention some of a Filipino food?
Yep.
What?
All of it.
No, we just mention some of the
pig?
Filipino pig. What's pig?
Baboy?
What's baboy? What's that? A lechon?
Yeah, baboy. Listen.
Lechon baboy.
Yeah.
What else?
Malut?
Balut.
Yeah.
Mole.
It doesn't matter, there's 2 of them.
Oh my gosh. What else, my love? Do you like our dinner tonight?
Yeah, beautiful.
What's that?
A moto.
Adobo. You like kinilaw too, my love?
The what?
Kinilaw.
Yeah, that's good too. Kinley's a rare,
Like a
raw tuna with the spicy vinegar. Yep.
And do you also eat what's that, like a salty fish?
Yeah, the salty dry fish. Yep.
Because some foreigner don't like to eat that
well,
one.
you know I don't like bananas. But
Yeah.
those ones you cook, little short suckers, and like that.
What do you mean?
Beautiful.
What banana, my love?
You know the little short ones. They're only about that big.
Yeah, that's my love. That's a frozen banana. You just don't like the big banana.
Yeah,
The yellow
no,
one.
no.
But I like banana, you know. What kind of banana? The yellow banana
Yeah,
or
just
the
settle down,
brown?
yeah.
Oh my
Don't
god.
go into too much detail.
When you gonna retire? Where?
When? Where?
Where? Like when you're retired? When you gonna
I reckon bloody Australia's a good place to retire to.
Philippines?
But maybe you don't think that.
Nah,
What do you think?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you, my love.
We're all in this together, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Not all about me, it's us. It's about us.
Mm.
Yeah?
It's
No?
very short, my love.
Hmm?
My God, guys, I ordered 2. I thought it's just 1.
Should be bigger.
Yeah. Or maybe, my love, you can put this one there.
Yeah,
and
I
you
haven't
can,
finished yet. We've still got 2 to go on.
maybe you can add more there.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll keep asking questions.
How much you love me, my
I'm
love?
learning.
You're
I'm
learning.
learning more and more about you. The more you question.
How much you love me, my love?
How do you measure?
I can't measure.
I know.
Oh,
Why do I can't answer?
Yeah, that's a good answer. Ooh, that's a good answer. Okay. You asked to, my love. If I ask, you asked to. Baby, boy, what the name should be?
I don't know.
What name you like? If a boy.
Boy? Mm.
If a boy,
I
what?
asked that question.
Oh. Well, okay. What do you prefer? Girl or boy?
I don't care. Healthy.
Okay. But maybe a girl or boy.
Healthy.
Okay. You don't answer me properly. Like,
What would you like? Frances wants a baby girl.
yeah.
She wants sister.
You remember what she said, my love?
Yeah.
What did she say?
She wants a baby sister. She asked me. She said it a few times.
Yeah. And she says, Daddy Greg, I want a baby sister.
Yep. Yep.
That's last year, my love, right?
She might have changed her mind too. Maybe.
No, she wants a baby sister, of course. So they can play a Barbie doll together.
Yeah, but Frances will be great. She'll grow out of that. Her
Really?
baby sister will be the Barbie doll.
Yeah. Yes, of
Baby.
course. What else are you gonna ask? You want me to ask something, my love?
Yeah, what else are you gonna ask?
No, that's why you're gonna. I know.
Huh?
My God, my pimples, it's a lot. You asked me, my love.
So you want a baby girl?
Yep.
A baby boy?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's right. Doesn't matter. And righto, it'll be the same questions. What's name?
Like, I don't know.
Huh?
What, a girl or a boy?
Well, at this stage it'll be both. If it's a boy,
I like the name George, but Douglas have George already. Is it Douglas or Jackson? No, Douglas.
Doug.
Yeah, Doug has a George, no?
Well, that's his second name.
Yeah. But, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I like name George because you can also name that on a girl, George.
Mm.
And you're also Greg. You like Gregorio?
I don't like Gregory. You don't care that much.
Oh, Gregory the Second. So if there's another boy, so we're gonna Gregory the Third.
It's Chinese shit.
You think that's from Chinese, my love?
The shit Chinese stuff. It's alright. It's okay.
Fucking okay.
Terrible quality.
Because I told ya.
Hey?
Because I told you. I'm gonna say in Bisaya and you're gonna copy. Are you gonna
Okay.
Okay. Ako. Come on. Ako.
Aku.
Bahog ilok.
Bahogiyok. Right.
Do you know what that means?
Nope.
That's okay. You don't ask. Okay, next.
Are you gonna tell me what it is?
Yeah, later when we go bed.
Alright, right.
Okay, next, my love. Akong asawa.
I've heard that before.
Yeah, come on.
Aku asawa.
Guapa.
Guapa is boy or girl. Yeah. Guapo, guapa.
Guapa is like pretty.
But it's also boy or girl or something too.
Guapa is baba. Guapa is girl and guapo is boy. So, akong asawa, guapa.
Pretty girl or boy?
That's why, my love, I said my asawa means wife. So your wife is guapa.
Ah, right. Yep.
Is that right?
I already knew that.
Okay. I don't know. Okay, this one, love. When did we met?
When did we meet?
Mm-hmm.
I think it was 2016. About Christmas time.
Yeah.
It's
not. Hoy, my love, it's not Christmas. Ano ka ba?
In the domestic arrivals terminal.
Hey, but that's not Christmas.
Huh?
It's not Christmas, my love.
That wasn't Christmas.
Yeah. You said it's Christmas.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. What was your first opinion of me?
Skinny, little, big smile.
Okay. When did you know I was the one?
Before.
Before what? Before we met or?
Before we met.
Yeah, you know that I'm the one?
Yeah. That's why I had to go and see you.
Okay, this one.
I thought you were the She could be the one. And you were.
No. Okay, how did you propose?
Yeah.
Come on.
I pretty much gave you the ring and said take it or leave it, didn't
What? No.
I? At breakfast.
Yeah, at breakfast.
Zero romantic about that. Oh.
What? What? Okay, who is the romantic one? What?
Not me.
Not you. Okay, so it's me.
It must be you.
Who is more affectionate? Affectionate?
Yeah. Affectionate. I'm more affectionate.
Yeah. Oh no, you're not doing like that. I am the one, my love.
Fine.
Oh, I do that all the time. Every fucking single day, single time, every seconds.
Yeah, but I do it more.
Oh no.
Yeah.
My love, eh? Who is the funny one? Is it me?
Yeah.
Or you
Yeah,
sure, my
of
love?
course.
Who is more outgoing? No one? Me? I'm not I'm just...
Hmm.
Oh, I'm just staying at home, my love. Okay. Use one word to describe me, my love.
Cute.
Oh, it's not... It's good. That's a good answer. Then you're gonna say short. What is this one, love? Who wears the pants in the relationship? What's pants mean?
Who's the boss?
Is it? Who wear the... Why do you say who wear the pants? Like we're wearing
Well, it's
pants.
it's like a slang or something for
Yeah.
who's the boss.
Yeah. So who is the boss?
You.
Is it?
You were telling me what to do. Make me coffee.
Oh, can you make me coffee now? Who is the better cook?
Huh?
Who is the better cook?
Oh, you for sure. Hey, that's an easy question, that one.
Yeah.
You just don't eat what I cook.
I think that's enough. Do you want more?
Is this live?
No, it's a video.
Oh, good.
I will do edit that one. Dabi, my love, so sweet. Ayan, bro. Wala pa na akong kilay na.
Huh?
What?
Mumbling a bit?
Nothing. Yay, guys! And ayan, guys. So, if you like this video, give me some thumbs up and comment. Why are you laughing, my love? And comment down below if you wanna ask something. And ayan. And please don't forget to subscribe. Ayan, guys. And click the bell as well, guys, para updated tayo sa bago nating upload. You say,
Bye.
what's that? Ay, my love.
Huh?
We're gonna ask some question next time, guys. What's that, my love? Oy, are you hiding to this one? My husband, guys, is very shy at the camera. Very, very shy. So I'm gonna hide his face so no one will see. Ayan, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.